Hello students, my name is Parth Kumar Singh, an alumnus of IIT Jodhpur. Today we are going to learn about this question which was basically asked in NEST 2023 session 2. In this question, they have given a very dramatic language that you might get confused with whether this question belongs to biology or chemistry, right? So let's just read it out. Biological standard potential E star is defined as the potential measured at pH 7 that you need to highlight because pH 7 is very important parameter that they have given here, right? So pH 7. The species nicotinamide diadenine, what is that? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, right? See, I am not a biology fan, so basically this happens. So nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NADH and its oxidized form NAD plus play an important role in respiratory process. Maybe, right? I seriously don't know, neither do I have any use of it. Given the standard potential of E naught, basically E naught minus 0.099 volts, here as soon as you reach this point, you will came to realize that this question actually belongs to electrochemistry, right? For the reaction NAD plus, the reaction is given NAD plus aqueous, H plus aqueous with 2 electrons combines to form NADH. So basically it is some kind of a biological conversion that is basically converting NAD plus to NADH, and they are saying that this process is important for respiration, right? Maybe, right? So now what they are saying that since this is a redox process, we can see that not this one, this is just a plus oxidation is getting converted to a basically neutral species. So we are reducing the oxidation state. So basically it is a reduction. So a reduction process is given, and correspondingly they are asking E star for the conversion of NAD plus to NADH in an aqueous solution of 1 molar NAD plus, means the concentration is 1 molar at 25 degrees centigrade, means that is your room temperature. Since we know that most of the biological reactions are actually feasible or favorable at room temperature, right? Now what they are asking is E star. E star is standard potential, right, for the cell, for the half cell. Now we know that Nernst equation can be applied for individually half cells also. So what is the Nernst equation typically written as? E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N. We use this 0.0591 upon N when the temperature is specifically room temperature. Otherwise there is a whole new formula RT upon NF that you may know, right? So since the temperature is room temperature 25 degrees centigrade, we can simply use this formula 0.0591 upon N log oxidized form concentration upon reduced form concentration, means as per the reaction, right? Or you can say the right and the left one, right? So now converting or applying this particular equation to the half cell reaction mentioned above, we will have this E cell is actually E star here, biological cell potential. E naught is given to you. See, E naught for NAD plus to NADH is given, right? For the NAD plus to NADH is given to you minus 0.099 volt. Now the main thing is, what is the value of N here? N, as you can see, there are 2 electrons involved. So N will be 2, 0.0591 upon 2. Log, in this reaction, if you write it as oxidized upon reduced, so basically this oxidized upon reduced is used when you have a complete cell reaction. But when you do not have a complete cell reaction, when you apply it on a half cell reaction instead, you will use the concentration terms on the right divided by concentration terms on the left, right? So basically on the right you have NADH aqueous, and on the left you have 2 species in aqueous format, that is NAD plus and NH plus, right? Now we know that since the concentration of NAD plus is 1 molar, obviously the concentration of NADH is also going to be 1 molar, because this entire species conversion has been shown. Obviously all the amount of NAD plus is going to be converted into NADH. That's how your complete respiration process will be finished. Those who have a substantial knowledge of biology can also relate and understand this in a better picture, right? But this is so obvious. So the concentration of both NADH and NAD plus will be 1 unity. So E star will be minus 0.099 volt minus what will be this 0.0295 something like that log of 1 upon 1 into H plus concentration. Now we know that, let me just write it once again, 0.99 volt minus 0.0295. If I just flip this denominator to the numerator, we know log 1 upon x can also be written minus log x. So basically I will write instead it minus log H plus, and we know that minus log H plus is basically pH, right? And pH is given, that the process is basically proceeding at a 7 pH or a neutral pH. Obviously, because it is a biological process, right? It will support neutral medium preferably, right? Now 0.0295, and we know it will be log, this is your pH directly, right? This is your pH. So pH is 7. So just solving this will get you the answer somewhere around minus 0.305 volt, which can be round off to minus 0.31 volt. So basically the answer is this one. So this is how you have to patiently read the question first before skipping it. You have to try, you have to give 1 minute to understand it. You have to just utilize the information whatever you know so far, right? And that's how you will end up with the right answer in 2 or maximum 3 minutes in such kind of difficult question. And if you like this type of videos, you can always pin down the comment, and thank you.